Here we have Joanne and Bill from BGC Engineering out on a field visit to a sand outcrop. We can see Bill pointing at depositional contacts and cross-bedding he's observed, but how can Bill effectively relay these observations to his colleagues? Bill starts scanning the outcrop using the LiDAR scanner on his iPad, which we're now seeing via screen capture, and within just a matter of minutes, the LiDAR point cloud has been processed, saved, and we can now see the rendered 3D mesh. The next step is to generate the texture using the footage captured during the scan. Once texturing is complete, we now see the 3D textured model at a true, undistorted scale and can immediately begin to interact with it on the iPad. The 3D model data can be stored locally onto the iPad, however, we can go one step further. We can also upload the files directly in the field to the cloud-based software that converts the files to a 3D hologram for use with the Microsoft HoloLens. Once uploaded, anyone with access to the internet can place the HoloLens device on their head, open the Ada viewer developed by Clirio Technologies, and visualize the 3D model as a true-scale 3D hologram anchored in the middle of the room. We now see a holographic image of the 3D model created in the field. By taking the 3D model, previously trapped on a 2D screen, and liberating it by placing it in the middle of the room as a 3D hologram, we can walk around it, look up and down it, and interact with it in new and innovative ways. 3 of us are doing so from the main BGC office in Vancouver. However, we can also see the avatars of 2 floating headsets. These are our colleagues James and Bill, who are at their respective home offices and are connecting to the same session using the remote collaboration feature. They're seeing the same model from the same point of view and at the same scale as we're seeing now. And with directional audio and the ability for all participants to point at any part of the model, it feels like they're standing right next to us looking at the real sand exposure. In reality, it's simply real-time collaborative 3D holographic technology accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world.